Yes children, I have another video which is continuation from the previous one. Now we are going to learn about structure of human heart. In the previous video learn about the different chambers of heart in the different organisms. Now we are going to discuss about the human heart. So here human heart, how many chambers are there? 4 chambered heart is present in the human heart. Got it? Now here how first I am going to draw how easily can draw the diagram. For that, first it's not a difficult. If you follow these steps it will be easy. This is the oval shape. First I have to draw the lightly. That's the oval shape. Then one line I have to make it, which is the 3/4. Here is a more one, here is a division is a less. I have to draw it. And moreover you can draw from here to like this, which is the like a W shaped one. Got it? Then after in the next step, here is the pulmonary arch is there. I have to start from here because of it is the right side, which always right atria and ventricle should have a CO2 rich blood, which is known as the impure blood. I have to start like this arch from here to here. I have to make a double line in the next step like this. This is a branching into 2 branches. That's the pulmonary arch. Whereas the next one is the step I have to follow here. These imaginary lines, rub it, and you can make a superior vena cava. What is this? Superior vena cava. How to make like this? It's continue and it give a line of the chamber, which is the atria, and here this is the inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. In the next step, just draw this line and you can draw systemic aorta. That is also arch. You can draw from here. It starts from the it should be starts from the left ventricle only, because of which is having the oxygen rich blood. So here it starts from here. You can differentiate this one from here. It's starts from the its line went back from here. It is as a this line will becomes here and like this. This line have to make it like this and draw the line, which is the green one is the systemic aorta, right? Systemic arch you draw. Next here from the upper what you call superior parts, which is the head and neck, the branches will divide. Should draw the branches here, and you can confirm this line with the what we call upper chamber, which is the left atria, by marking small like this. This is the upper chamber. Now we got upper 2 chambers and lower 2 chambers. These imaginary lines have to rub it now, and this line which is starts from here, the systemic aorta from here to here. Now it is coming back and exit as a aorta, right? Now after confirmation of this one, you can shade darkly right, and moreover 2 pairs of pulmonary veins which opens into the left atria from back onwards. For backwardly, these 2 will be opens here, which brings the blood from lungs to the only left atria only, right? This is a simple diagram only. Here nothing is there. If you follow these steps, it's very easy. Now we'll go for the internal structure. In this internal structure, here is the 2 we told 4 chambers. Human heart have a 4 chambered heart. Now upper two chambers called as the atria. What are the name of the chambers? Atria. Atria are the upper two chambers and lower two chambers are the ventricles. Ventricles. Atria and ventricles. Atria are the two. Ventricles are the two. Together 4 chambers. Now here this is the diagram. For that understanding I am going to draw here that schematic diagram of this one. Very simple one like this. Previously it was how it is there. It's a hollow structure. Got it? That's a hollow muscular structure. This is the heart. Now here the heart is internally divisible into, not externally, internally divisible into 4 chambers. The chambers, how they are separated means the muscular structures are there like a wall, like we called as the septa. Septa are the muscular partitions. Now here see one partition which makes the heart into upper and lower chambers. This upper, what are the chambers are there? Upper atria and lower are the ventricle. Upper chambers are the atria, lower are the ventricle. So the septa which is divides upper and lower chambers, that septa called as the interatrioventricular septa. What do you call? Interatrio and ventricular septa. It makes the heart into upper and lower chambers. Whereas the upper two atrias are divisible into left and right atrias. Left atria and right atria. By this septa called as, where it is there? Between the, inside the atria only. That's the reason called as the interatrial septa. IAS. Interatrial septa. Interatrial septa makes the heart into left and right atrias. In the meanwhile, in the same, ventricles are divisible into 2 left and right ventricles. That septa called as the interventricular septa. That is the IVS. Inter between ventricular septa. Okay. Left and right ventricles are separated by this septa. But anyhow, these septas makes the hollow structure of muscular heart into 4 chambers. 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are the atrias, left atria and right atria. Lower chambers are the left ventricle and right ventricle. Got it? So here that interatrial septa which have some depression is there. Here is the some depression is there. The depression of the interatrial septa, the depression is called as the fossa ovalis. Depression is called as the fossa ovalis. Fossa ovalis is the depression between the atrias. This is corresponding to the fetal heart, which is the foramen ovale. Foramen ovale. This should be closed when lungs become functional. When lungs become functional, this should be closed. Everyone have a foramen ovale is a depression. Depression of the small septa on the interatrial septa. That is called as the fossa ovalis. That is corresponding to the foramen ovale in the fetus. If it is not closed, it's make as a hole. That is the patent of foramen ovale. Patent of foramen ovale, which is nothing but a heart hole. Nothing but heart hole. Right? Actually, it should be closed. But sometimes it should not be closed. That is called as a heart hole. Patent of foramen ovale. Right?